Hi, welcome back to the Leadership Help Desk. If you're new to the channel, we're all about entrepreneurship, small business, marketing, business stuff. And today's topic is I want to get your feedback, your comments on the dollar store American seed packets. Uh, at the dollar store, everything's supposed to be a dollar, and it is fun to go in there and ask as you're checking out, how much is this? How much is this? How much is this? It's a dollar. It's a dollar. It's a dollar. But in the case of the American seeds, I was at a dollar store in the States in August, and they were not a dollar. Uh, then it said it was 25 cents, and then I went to check out, which kind of makes my joke make a little sense. Uh, the the checkout lady says, "Oh, they've marked these down to 10 cents." And while there wasn't a ton of variety on the rack, I'd bought like maybe 10 or 15 packets. And but the next time we went, my kids loved to go there. Uh, I said to my wife, I said, "They're 10 cents. Let's just buy the whole thing." So we got what must have been 50 to 100 seed packets that look like this. You've seen them. But uh, I sat, it says sell by December of 2019. I was there in August of 2019. And then, well, if it says sell by December 19, they should be good in April or May of the next year, I would think. At least half of them. So school was out, and we do live in the tropics. That's one problem. Um, so I held the seeds for about uh, 6 months, but only 5 months after the expiration date, and uh, school got canceled. So my boy goes, "Hey, do you have those seeds?" And he went over to his auntie's house, and they, made a little garden. And he says, "Hey, can I have the cauliflower? Can I have a pack of?" I said, "Sure, we got tons of it." Carrots. I don't know what I'm showing you. Carrots, uh, turnips, peppers, parsley. Let's make some parsley. He planted all of these seeds and got so excited, and then nothing happened. And I was still busy at work, and probably about a month later in June, I got time to go plant the pepper seeds, try some lettuce. Um, I've been trying dill for a long time. I tried chives. I think that's from an Australian company, but nada, nothing. Uh, we did not store it. We live in a hot house. It's probably 90 degrees right now. So the storage wasn't right. I'm not. I want to hear from you and hear your experience. For us, my boy, I said I'm going to go plant some seed. He goes, "Don't even bother. They're not going to work." And so I did, and nothing worked. There's sunflowers here. I'd like to try. Like to try the sunflowers. I've opened the pack to count how many are in there, and but my self-esteem and my morale is so low right now. I don't even know if I'm going to try this. Now here again, we're in the tropics. We have droughts, we have high heat, we have big rains, we have leafcutter ants. If you've never experienced leafcutter ants, it's the ones that carry your garden into the jungle, uh, and you watch them do it. You wake up one morning and they're stripping everything. So I don't know if it was something that we did or what, but when I go back to the States, and is it worth it even at 10 cents to buy these things? I don't know. Here again, it could be totally our fault. Probably is our fault. Probably is the conditions. But I mean, really, the tropics in South Florida, there's not a whole lot of difference. So, what was your experience with American seed from the dollar store, and I want to hear some success stories. I hope that things went well for you, and maybe we just did something wrong. Germination rate has been virtually zero. So let me hear in the comments below, what was your experience with dollar store seeds? I can't wait to hear. And thanks.